Hey lovelies, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, my name is Janelle and this is Love Janelle. Today I'm going to be making a video just showing how to adjust waist beats. So if that's what you came here to see, keep watching. Now this video is specifically for anyone that wants to readjust accountability beads. Accountability waist beads are the ones that keep track of your weight. They usually start in the top portion of your waist, and as you lose weight, they tend to roll down. Now sometimes if you've lost enough weight, they will roll all the way down to your hips and they aren't holding you accountable anymore if you are choosing to continue to lose weight. But instead of buying a whole new set of beads, which is also an option, you can go ahead and reuse the beads that you already have. So if you just want to reuse the set you already have, here's how to do that. Okay, so here we are with the accountability beads. For this demonstration, I am using elastic, but you are going to use the exact same method with any other thread. So originally these beads are supposed to be up here, but you lose the weight, it falls down. You don't want them down here. Now ideally you're going to want to do this without clothes on this area. I am covering up for this video because I have been demonetized just for showing this area in the past. So to avoid any strikes or anything like that, I'm just going to, just demonstrate it like this. And now I have my beads here. The first thing you're going to want to do is look for the part where you tied them in the knot. So I'm just looking for the knot. So my knot is here. It is clear string, but you can see that it would look like this if it were not elastic, or hopefully it would look a lot neater than this, but it would look like this if it were not the elastic. So you're just going to find your knot. Now to avoid losing a bunch of beads, I suggest getting help from somebody. So if you can just borrow somebody's hand for a moment. Okay, so you're just going to have that person hold one side of the thread. If you can get through to the thread, they're just going to hold one side, you're going to hold the other, and then you're just going to snip, and you're just going to find wherever you can reach the thread, and you're just going to snip right there while continuing to hold it. I'm going to roll myself out. Thank you. I have the two sides here. I'm going to remove some of these beads before I put it against myself to measure, just because I know I'm definitely going to take quite a few beads off. You don't want to take too many beads, but you just need enough so you can get a good hold onto the string on either side or both sides. I'm just going to grab a little container and empty out some of those beads into it. I got some of the beads off of this end. And now I'm going to slide the rest of them down just a little bit, just so I can have a better grasp at both sides. So extra string on both sides. So I want these to sit higher up here. So you're going to find a new space where you want the waist beads to sit. And you're going to remove the beads accordingly. So if you want it to, let's say, you want it like here. Is a good enough spot for me, so I'm just going to remove the excess beads now, making sure to hold both sides at the same time. So I'm just going to hold it right here and let them fall off the end, and then I'm going to go ahead and retie it. So make a tie here. I do already have a video showing how to tie your waist beads. It's not elastic string you're using, you can go ahead and see exactly how to tie your waist beads from that video. But this, for elastic, you can just knot it a few times. You cut off the excess just below the knot, and then you get a lighter, burn it a little, not too much because the plastic will melt and come loose. Okay, and then you just adjust it onto your waist, and that's it. So this is the new space. As you lose weight, it's going to go down, so you're holding you accountable. That's it. That's how you readjust your accountability bead. If you have any further questions, please go ahead and put that in the comment section down below. I'm going to put links to everything I used in this video in the description bar if you're interested. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. subscribe for more videos like this, and until next time.